Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble your old Nokia C3. This version, in this case, we're gonna be change the mainboard in this phone. I have here plenty of Nokia C3 and I need to replace this mainboard from the other phone which is dead and they don't work at all. So first of all, we need to unscrew the screw on the back here. There's both of the screws, and now you need to take the plastic tool and slide it around the phone here, just like that. Yep. Of course, my front fascia is broken, but you're gonna have some elements here down here. Okay, and the keyboard, that's it. And there is 4 screws on the front, which is height next to the front fascia. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yep. Now your mainboard should be leave the and release this LCD, and voila, your mainboard is already here. So now you can just change it and reverse the operation, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.